Welcome back to my vlog channel. Morning, Scotty. What we doing this morning?
We are trying to take out some of the big potato.
Yeah. Yeah, so our customer wants 100 pounds. So that's what we're looking for this morning.
And they're pretty.
Yes, yes.
They do clean.
Yeah.
And pretty, and we like how they look.
Yeah, man.
These potato could really enter to the export by the cleanness of them.
Yes.
Yeah. If you notice, inside of the hill you have a whole lot.
Yeah.
But if it don't into the purchase of market, it no matter, you take it out.
Yeah.
So we only are taking out the bigger one them.
Yes, yes, yes.
We're taking out the bigger one. We are trying to.
So we have some there already.
Take out the bigger one of the first class.
Yes.
Yeah, because.
And see, me have a guy who say him have somebody, 2 person ready to take the whole garden.
Yeah, that's, well, when it comes to that, we wouldn't have no problem.
Yeah.
Because, to be frank, the sweet potato is getting short.
Yes.
So, to right now, you would having no problem to get
sell
market.
it. Yeah.
Because it is not on market right now.
Yeah.
When I say on market, I mean that
it's short.
Yeah, that heavy frequency.
Yeah.
That really.
It's short. Is that stone in the hill?
Yeah, yeah.
Check your thing of potato.
You notice?
It
have a whole lot of
fibers.
Yes, and a young one. And so
the ground is not fully fit.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, you know it now.
Yeah, the ground is not fully fit.
Yes, definitely. Don't fully fit as yet, but
we can find potato.
yeah, man, definitely. We are looking at 100 pounds. I don't know, we can find it.
Yeah.
We can find it, man.
Yeah.
I'll wait you out. Scatter.
Yeah.
Just scatter over the whole place. So much on this?
Yeah.
4 of this, you know? So then 2 more, you know, so.
Yeah.
But
them want to develop more.
Exactly. So you see, when you take out like the size one them,
yeah,
those one get room.
Right.
They get a lot of room.
So they can swell up.
Exactly. Oh, you know.
You don't find any worms on the one you're digging up?
No, I don't see any worm as it.
I know bugger.
No. Not as it.
That's good.
If you notice them, I don't say them not start as it because they were now.
Yeah.
You see down here, sir? Right here.
Yeah.
A lots of foul manure.
Yeah.
On the top side.
Yes, yes.
Up there, sir.
Right.
So when you realize up there, so now a little bit stronger in terms of the manure that it gets.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
There's so much root on this square. You don't pick up potato. You see?
Whole heap.
Whole heap. You know, fit.
Yeah, that one fit. Yeah, that one fit.
You know the fit one. That's good. This is how we dig the potato. We go inside of the hill and eventually scratch and feel for the bigger one them, and then now remove them.
Yeah.
If you notice in this hole you have 4 and none of them cannot move as yet. Yeah. Anytime you come back in that 4, everybody can move.
Yeah. Develop.
Yeah. You know, make sense. You reap it, make it down big. You understand?
True. But them one they make them get swell up.
Yeah, man. That's what it's gonna be.
That one long. But you notice how them potato grow for me when them grow extra long.
Yeah, they not grow around.
Yeah.
And the side. The side, man. Side.
You see? Them long, eh?
Long and pretty.
Yeah, them long and clean. You wanna go to the hills?
Go to the hill. Alright, watch here. Look here. This is how much. What you see here, sir?
2. Over here, so no.
Could you want to see another 2?
Yeah.
Is it? 3. You want in there? Go here again. Alright. Let me show you stuff. How it
Beer.
Yeah, rotation and then heavy. We are digging on an estimation dig. You know, one dig and pass it.
So once you have to reach 100 yet, are we close? Scotty, what were you saying when the lady was saying that how you know use the stick and how you use your hand and your hand no blister? What were you saying now?
Yeah,
how you do it to prevent that?
We use the palm of your hand like a finger palm here, so. So you do like this. You see?
Yeah.
You eventually use your hand to scrape the dirt. You don't use your literal finger.
Right.
Because if you go and use the literal finger, your finger going to tear.
Yeah.
So you avoid from tearing your finger, you use your hand and palm out it first.
Right.
Then you scratch.
Yes.
You can just scratch before you palm out like you will tear your finger or you get hurt. Now you see it?
That one rotten?
Right. The head.
Oh.
You see? The worm.
Oh, your worm. The one the good though. I'm glad they didn't take the big one. Come, puppy. Come. dug up some potatoes.
Yeah.
But we have to wait now to see if it reach the 100 pound that we're looking
Yeah,
for.
we are looking at 100 pound mark.
Yeah.
Yes, ready.
Yes,
I think we'll find it.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Let me see what Scotty have in the bag there. Oh, leap of potatoes.
Pretty.
Yes, very clean.
Yeah. Guys, look on these.
Yeah, man.
So beautiful they are.
Nice and
Clean and
Fat.
pretty. Yeah. And just the other day we put them in, you know.
Just the other
Just
day.
the other day. October the 18th. We was here put in, and now we are on today the 22nd, the 21st
of January.
of January, so we are doing roughly 2 months in bearing.
Yes.
So you couldn't check October, we are talking about like November.
Yeah. Ah, perfect.
Yeah, we are lining up some to the market.
One of you have worm.
One and few just, it not gone so far as yet because it is a new ground.
Yeah.
And it just touch.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just touch. If you can see, it start at the head.
Right.
They are eating the head. So you see it here, see they just touch. But it's good to go. Yeah.
Yeah, man, look how the
Clean,
potato them fat.
long and pretty.
Man. And the one them in the back big and fat same way. Yes, Catty. So we have water in the drum and we want some water. This is what I was looking for from Mr. Hamilton drum, but at that hardware where I bought his drum they didn't have any. So, hold on. I have to put a padlock on it, guys. Not just no shadow of the dark.
Yes, we're giving thanks to Mission for its wonderful bearing. We just run through the ground as far as you can see it.
Yeah.
We don't dig every one of them. We just go through and do some like plucking.
Yeah.
Plucking out the big one like all these one now.
Yes. That's a big one.
Yeah, we're just taking out all this size one here. Because if you notice this size one here now, you can't keep so long by the, you keep them long, them spoil.
Yeah.
If you notice them one are kind of ripe.
Yes.
So we have to remove it.
Right.
And
alright guys, so these two ones here, we're going to weigh them on the scale to see how much they weigh.
Those are the special. Those come special. Those are the biggest ones.
Yeah.
Find inside of the field.
The biggest one we found inside the fields.
Yeah, and then now the biggest one go. What we find in this field now would have got to the owner.
Yes. Which is?
The owner supposed to get the biggest one in the ground.
Which is who?
Which is Shan.
Okay. Yeah.
And that we saved it for Shan.
Yes.
Whether she want to bake it or roast it, it leave to her because
or boil it.
anything she want to do.
Yeah.
That is the biggest one, and she has choice.
Yes.
That is our choice.
Yes, I. Alright, so we're going to open it and add some water. I have a bottle here. Let me set it under the pipe. Oi. Here we go. There we go, there we go. Water the pipe. Try to make it stay. Let's see. Pull up already. Whoa! Turn over. So So the pressure is pretty heavy. You can see it turn over the bottle of water. That's how heavy the pressure is. Alright. Now we're going to put on back the lock. You see that, guys? This is my sweet potato.
Yes.
And I think we are at 100 pounds now.
Yes.
What you, Scotty?
Definitely.
So we are going to take them over and weigh them.
Yes.
But my head, I have a terrible headache. That's why I wasn't in the ground digging with Scotty.
But everything is going fine.
Yeah, man,
so
everything good. And some of the sweet potatoes need to swell out more, so we're just gonna leave them in the ground.
Yeah.
Until April, we just draw everything.
Exactly.
Put carrot here, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.